Is your bad breath betraying you? Are you tired of covering your mouth when you speak to others? Do you constantly pop mints only to wonder if the bad breath is still lingering? What if I told you that brushing your teeth 3 times a day isn't actually fixing the root cause? Could the real reason for your halitosis be hiding somewhere completely unexpected like your gut? Have you ever considered that acid reflux or GERD might be sending your stomach orders right up to your stomach, throat? What about small intestinal bacterial overgrowth? Are misplaced bacteria fermenting your food and creating foul smelling gases? Or perhaps chronic constipation is causing your body to expel trapped toxins through your lungs. If your gut is the culprit, how do you rebalance your microbiome with the right probiotics? Are you accidentally feeding the bad bacteria by eating too many refined sugars and processed carbs? Did you know that low stomach acid can cause food to putrefy and create gas? But what about your mouth? Are you flossing daily to remove hidden food particles? Are you using a tongue scraper to clean away bacteria harboring debris? Is dry mouth ruining your freshness and cause good chewing sugar-free gum help stimulate natural saliva? Have you quit smoking and are you visiting your dentist regularly for deep cleanings? Ready to reclaim your confidence? Why keep guessing when you can have the ultimate roadmap to fresh breath? Want to recover the exact steps to breathe and treat halitosis from both mouth and the gut? Ready to heal your digestive tract and finally speak with total confidence? You can find all these life-changing insights, simple steps and holistic treatments in cloudtechbull.com. Head over to cloudtechbull.com to read our full guide. Bad breath got you down? Simple steps to prevent and treat halitosis. Visit cloudtechbull.com today and let's get your breath feeling as fresh as you are.